How long does it take to prepare a trademark application? Once we start on it, how soon can a trademark application be filed? Those are great questions. And the answer, as most lawyers will say, is it depends. It depends on what the trademark application that we want to file is. What is the mark? First. Second, have you started using it or not? Third, have you registered it before? Either the same mark with different goods or services, the same mark for use with different goods or services, either a federal US registration or a state registration, or a registration in some other jurisdiction, another country or regional intellectual property office. And if you have already started using it, do you want to file it with a use in commerce status, or is there some good reason to file it on an intent to use basis and later add specimens and claim a date of use? Now, there's a lot of trademark jargon here. The bottom line is it might be as simple as 1 to 2 hours of information gathering and putting together the application, and we could be filed same day once we've started on the project. Or it might be something that takes us a couple of weeks to gather the information, to get the legal background if you filed it elsewhere, if you filed to register it elsewhere, and gather information on your use and gather what are called specimens of use. Those are photos or website screen captures for some types of goods and services that show this is the mark and this is how it is being used in commerce as consumers see it in connection with the goods or the services that you're trying to register. The answers to those questions are what will let me determine how long it's going to take, whether it's, a very short 1 to 2 hour process to get the information I need and file it, or something that might take us weeks to gather and file. If it's going to be the latter, weeks, we can file a faster application, often by filing with an intent to use basis in the US application, even when you've already started using it. Doing so lets us get an application in now as quickly as possible, and then once we've gotten it filed, gather the specimens, gather the background on where else you may have used it. We can always revise the filing date and by claiming use and filing the specimens of use after filing the application initially. People also ask, what holds up a trademark application? Well, not having ready answers to the questions that I laid out earlier in this video, that can hold up the process of preparing the application. Another thing that can hold it up is not having specimens of use ready to go. If we need to gather them, that can take some time. It depends on the mark. For most marks, those questions that I laid out earlier set out the analysis that we need to go through. There are a few categories of goods and services that can be exceptions, and that can be more complicated and take more time to put together the application. If you've got questions, please DM me or shoot me an email or give me a call. My email is hello@yospenlaw.com and phone is 617-340-9295. Please like, comment, share the video wherever you've come across it. Thanks very much. Take care.